Hi, gorgeous. Welcome to this ASMR breathwork meditation. By the end of this meditation, you are going to feel so relaxed, at home, centered, and at peace within your body. Are you ready? Okay, so let's turn your body into a rainbow. So take a moment and discover the breath within your body. Don't push it, don't dive for it, don't make it just appear. Just suddenly let your breath emerge. Now, in your head, turn that breath into a rainbow and gently, softly send this rainbow to your feet. Feel or see your entire soles of your feet, your toes, even your ankles turning into this beautiful rainbow. See all the colors, the blue, the purple, the red, the green of the rainbow. You could add some sparkles and clouds if you like. Then slowly move the rainbow up past your ankles into your calves. Turn your calves into this beautiful rainbow. Feel your entire body soften, almost merge into this rainbow. Gonna move to your thighs. Feel your thighs shift, change, transform into this rainbow. So beautiful. Now we're going to fall into your velvet area and paint the most beautiful rainbow within your velvet area. See all the hues, all the colors. Fall deeper and deeper and deeper into your velvet area. Deeper and deeper between your hips. Paint the most gorgeous, sparkling rainbow between your hips. Now we're going to move the rainbow up your spine into your shoulder blades. 2 rainbows there, one on each of your shoulder blades. Paint the most gorgeous rainbow that stretches all over the sky, from the sky that's inside your body. Now move to your chest. This beautiful rainbow emerging up through your throat. Feel that rainbow, your throat. Feel the rainbow in your ears. Feel the rainbow in your eyes. Feel the rainbow in your palm, in your fingers. Now we're going to draw your attention again to your breath that's right in between your lips. Paint the most gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow. Now imagine the Victoria's Secret symbol with the V. You think of Victoria's Secret bag with the V and the S in. Actually I have a bag here but it doesn't have that symbol, so the V and the S. And you're going to turn the V into a rainbow and the S into a rainbow. The V represents your velvet space. The S is spirits within it. And we're going to breathe in that shape of the S. So the rainbow in your lips is going to move past rainbow in your throat, all the way down to your velvet space. We're going to pick up the purest rainbow energy. Breathe it out past your chest. to your lips. One more time. Breathe the rainbow down, 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 lower, tip of the V, and back up. So this beautiful rainbow is inside of your body. With every breath that you take, rainbow grows and expands. So take it with you and embrace your rainbow life. And all the sparkles, the diamonds, the hues and colors that you like to live within it. So thank you so much for this. If you love blog posts about just exploring different parts of your body like lace, this YouTube channel is called Feel Like Lace, and I also run a health and wellness blog called Underneath Your Lingerie, because underneath your lingerie is your hope. Underneath your lingerie is your spirit. Underneath your lingerie is the way that you live and love. Underneath your lingerie is the sparkle that you have for life. And underneath your lingerie is all the rainbows within your body. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.